I eat like spicy food every once in a while. I've been putting like hot pepper on my food a lot recently, like the ones at the pizza restaurants and stuff like that.
Spicy food, I'm okay with it. I'm not too big of a fan of it, but I don't mind trying some.
As a kid, I've always put hot sauce on everything. I put hot sauce on my vegetables, chicken, ham, you name it, I put hot sauce on it. Put hot sauce on my water. So I feel like with these contestants, you know, they have a challenge. I'm coming from them.
I put hot sauce on my pancakes. I put hot sauce on my breakfast food, my lunch, my dinner. I'm not happy unless my nose is running, my eyes are watering, my forehead is sweating with capsaicin-ridden sweat until it collects over my eyebrows, until it drips past my eyebrows and makes me look like I'm just a wreck. I'm sorry to my wife. Every dinner, she sits across from me at the table, and I'm sure it just looks nasty. But like, honey, I need hotter. I just want hot. I want heat. I live for this stuff.
As it went on, my parents tried spicier and spicier stuff until they couldn't handle it. So I kind of just went along with the ride. And well, now that I'm in college, they're not around most of the time. So, you know, I gotta continue that journey.
Let me hit you something with this, all right? My mom has prepared me for this since day one. Peruvian food, you know, my dad too, Syrian food. They got all that spice. So guess what? All you guys are competing for second place. I know Jonathan, you know, likes to eat a lot of spicy food. I know Edison, you know, is the Vegas favorite too. But listen, I'm the wild card and I'm coming in hot. Tomorrow, I'm cementing my place. KeyDigital Championship right here. Believe that.